Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming what's actually consuming space so you can act precisely. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud, look at total usage and which categories dominate. Once done, check iCloud Backup to see each device's backup size and last backup date. Make note of big culprits like photos and messages. This lets you target the largest gains first rather than deleting things randomly, and prepares you to manage backups and media on the next steps. Now take action. Enable Optimize iPhone storage for iCloud photos to store full resolution in the cloud and smaller versions locally. This immediately frees space. Next, delete redundant device backups from the same account. Keep only current devices. Go into iCloud Drive and App Storage to remove large documents you no longer need. For messages, review large attachments and set conversations to auto-delete after 30 days or 1 year. Doing these targeted removals produces big, reliable savings without losing. Finish by aligning storage to your needs. If cleanup still leaves you short, upgrade to an iCloud Plus plan or enable family sharing to distribute space. Once you've adjusted settings, force a manual iCloud backup and then recheck storage usage to confirm improvements. Make sure all devices have time to resync. If data doesn't reflect changes, sign out of iCloud and back in on the affected device or reboot. If sync errors persist, contact Apple support. This ensures the fixes stick and prevents repeated overflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.